hiking lokon
This
volcano.
track follow the lava streams,
Trail.
several
Start from,
lava streams
in
to get to
this
the volcano of Lokon. Be careful. Sometimes this trail is very slippery, but I think if you are hiker, it's no problem for you. This is wonderful track to get to Lokon volcano.
To make my purpose crystal clear, the reason that I'm standing here, my heart is beating like a drum for all the things that are to come. I take a breath and make the leap, a promise I will always keep. This is the adventure of a lifetime, a moment that is so sublime. I'm in my own true happy prime, committing a most perfect crime. The adventure of a lifetime, I'm ringing my own victory chime. The adventure of a lifetime, I am not lifetime The world is rushing past my face in this amazing magic place. I'm running in a different race, not one of slow and steady pace, but one of style and one of grace. A challenge I will now embrace. The adrenaline is all I need to plant a new and hopeful seed. You only get one life to live, so take the chances that it gives. Be brave and strong and positive.